Everyone, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about dressing table. Before we go, let's quickly recap what we have learned about dressing table. Dressing table are a piece of furniture commonly found in bedroom. First of all, what is dressing table? Well, a dressing table is a piece of furniture that you can find in many bedrooms. It usually have a mirror and some drawers or compartment to keep things like makeup, jewelry and other personal items. Dressing table come in all shapes and size. Some are small and simple while others are larger and more elaborate. You can choose one the first your style and need. Now let's talk about the different part of dressing table. The most important part is of course the mirror. The mirror is usually attached to table, can be used for getting ready in the morning or before going out. Next, we have the drawers or compartment. These are where you can keep your makeup, hair accessories and other personal items organized and easily accessible. Some dressing table also come with a stool or chairs so you can sit comfortably while you get ready. Now, why are dressing table important? Of course, it is very important in our room. Well, they are not only help you get ready in the morning, but they can help and style elegance to our bedroom. Plus, having everything you need in one place can save your time and make your morning routine more efficient. So, whatever you are getting ready for work, school, and or a special occasions, a dressing table useful and stylish addition to your bedroom. They typically furniture a mirror and drawers, a compartment for storing personal items. Dressing table come in various size and style to suit different preference. The mirror, drawers and sometimes a stool or chair are the main components of a dressing table. Dressing table can help you stay organized and save time during your morning routine. Adding a dressing table to your bedroom can also enhance its aesthetic appeal. Remember, a dressing table is more than just a piece of furniture. It is a functional and stylish addition to any bedroom. And that's all for today's voice videos. We hope you enjoyed learning about dressing table. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching and we will see you in next video. Goodbye.